This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Erik Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019482296. Updated home with active lake membership. This home has been updated with a brand new remodeled kitchen. New cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances including propane cook stove. The floor plan is spacious with an open dining room and a large living room for entertaining and gatherings. The brand new deck is a great spot for enjoying the outdoors with elevated views of the forest. This home has plenty of parking and a large indoor storage room for all your toys. This is a great opportunity for an updated home in Twain Harte. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Erik Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 0101397, LIC number 019482296 at 209-770-4246.